Guys, I just received a call from a dealer about that roof that I showed you on a previous video. He told me, can you do it for $700? I said, no, I'm not gonna do it for $700. Never. This roof costs $1,500 or more. He calls me in 5 minutes, say, Igor, do it. I'm gonna bring you the car. I said, that's what we're talking about, that business. Let's go, let's see how I do it. What do you think, guys? He calls me again. He's telling me I can't deliver the car. I'm like, why? Because he's busy. So I called the guy. I told the guy I'm gonna pay him $40 to drive 30 minutes there, 30 minutes back. So I'm gonna pay the guy. I told him $200 for delivery, and he says, okay, you want some business? Let's do some business. So we got $200 more for deliver the car to here, 30 miles away from here. Not bad. Let's make some money. So I picked up the car, guys, and my driver driving right there, the truck right there, right behind me. And I got that $200 from that dealer, and we're going to our place, and we're gonna start this tomorrow. The roof, you can see the windshield is cracked right here. I'm gonna change the windshield, roof rusted, and we're gonna do it tomorrow morning. So what do you think, guys? Business is business. We just made like right there $200, 30-minute drive there, 30-minute here, 1 hour, bam, bada bing, bada boom, done. $200. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so I brought the car here already. I'm going to do this right now. See this roof right here, all the way down there, and I'm gonna change this glass. Have to do today. Might drop rain a little bit, but I have to work, so this is a big project. Roof and the front windshield. I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna come to here. I'm gonna show you how this look right now, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look after I'm gonna be done with this car. All right, so let's go, let's go, let's go. Right there. All right.